Okay, family, I'm back at it again with another quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. Now, this affiliate marketing food for action moment is brought to us by our great government. And this right here is something that some people, depending on who you are, you might take this as a positive, or some of us might take it as a negative. But depending on who you are and your perspective and your mindset, that will determine what this story right here means to you. And this is going to be a very powerful food for action message because it gets into something that I have to share with you at the end. So make sure you stay to the end of this food for action message to get a special bonus that I have for you. So I'm just going to read this headline real quick. IRS braces for $500 billion drop in revenue as taxpayers skip filings in wake of Doge cuts at agency. Wow. That statement alone right there is very powerful. And for the right person, that information can be very powerful and lead you to where your money is, which is the most important question that we always ask ourselves, right? So what does this have to do with us? The IRS braces for $500 billion drop in revenue. Well, for economists, people like that on that side, they might look at this and they see horrible, horrible news. A $500 billion drop in revenue can really do some damage when it comes to government funding and different things like that. But let's not get into politics with this. We're going to get into how this can really be a benefit to you and your business. This right here is a short statement, but it says a lot. I want you guys to start off by making sure that you're developing your mindset in a way that it helps you look at things and identify things so that you can analyze it and reverse engineer it to your own benefit. So looking at this statement, I want you guys to start asking yourselves, why? Why do taxpayers all of a sudden feel as though they can skip filings in wake of the Doge cuts? Now, Doge, we know, is an agency that Elon Musk is heading, and it's in charge of cutting wasteful spending within the US government. Now, this is something that was tasked to him by our president, President Trump. Now, that right there is where the key, where the secret is, where the hidden jewel, that piece of information that will help the right person turn this one statement. And if you like, you can definitely read the rest of this article. It's only 2 minutes long from this source, but this alone will help you. Now that we know what company is doing what, and we know who's behind the company, and we say to ourselves, leadership. Everything rises and falls based on leadership. Now, that pops into my head because I have a specific type of mindset. My mind works in a certain way. And the first thing that comes to my mind is leadership. Everything rises and falls based on leadership. So in this case, we have a leader of a country who has tasked someone who's a head of an organization, an agency, to do specific things, to basically see where there's wasteful spending within the government, right? And this, to some people, might make it seem as though this particular leader is not on the side, so to speak, of the government or particular branches of government, right? Now, from a follower standpoint, or a person that follows a leader such as that, they may also start looking at those specific agencies and start to treat them the same way that their leader does. So the IRS braces for $500 billion drop in revenue because taxpayers feel as though they're going to follow the lead of their leader. They don't have the power of Doge and they don't work for the company itself. But the one way, I guess, possibly these taxpayers believe that they're helping their leader or the process is by cutting off possibly $500 billion in revenue to this particular agency that they have a feeling that their leader does not care too much about. Now, how do we tie this back into our business? How do we tie this into online marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to call it? Well, once again, I gave you the secret. Leadership. Everything rises and falls based on leadership. And what that means is, depending on what type of leader you are, it'll determine what your business partners, your customers, people that follow you on social media, your tribe, or whatever you want to call that group of people, that community that you've built, they're going to follow what you do. They're going to look at certain things through a lens that you've kind of set up for them. In our online journey as coaches, mentors, whatever you want to classify yourself as, your main job is to guide people in the right direction. Make sure that the things that were issues for you, the challenges that you face, that you show your team, your community, a smoother road so that they don't have the same issues and challenges. Some of us do it better than others. Some leaders will lead you to success mountain, so to speak. And other leaders may lead you to doing things that might not lead you to success mountain or to anything beneficial for yourself. And you have to think about this in your business. What type of leader are you? What are you showing your community? Are you showing them that you're just the type of person that points and clicks, that gives, heartfelt quotes, that can tell a good story, that can do all the feel-good things, and then your community themselves, they look at it and they say, that's all I have to be. I don't have to be anything of substance. I don't have to have any real skill. All I have to do is point and click. All I have to do is this and that. But it's all based on the leadership. Everything rises and falls based on leadership. And depending on your style, that'll determine how your community grows and the choices that they make. You may not cause a $500 billion drop in revenue, but the things you do and the things that you choose not to do can cause your team to not be successful and not earn an income at all from home. So with that, I hope this quick affiliate marketing food for action moment has been of value to you. If it has, I want you to comment hustle so that you can continue this journey with me, so that I can help you on your journey, your personal journey towards your level of success, so that you can climb success mountain with as little resistance as possible. And something I want to give you guys to help you in this journey is a document that I created. And I want you guys to focus on the things that's really going to help move the needle, and the things that more than likely is not going to be provided to you within your system. No matter what product or service you're promoting or selling, whatever company you're with, there's always going to be some things left out. Now, the great thing about the system that I'm part of is that 95% of the work is done. from the funnels, websites, email marketing follow-ups, to the weekly, daily trainings, the webinars, various other things, lead magnets, and great community, great helpful community and customer service. We have all of that. But there's always more. There's always something missing or something that can be added to a almost perfect system. And this right here is something that I believe is missing. Most people focus so much on the technical aspect, what tool I can purchase that's going to help me write this, write that, do this and that so much easier. But the most important tool that you have at your disposal is the one that's right here between your ears, and that's your brain. And you have to train that to be the best possible tool in your arsenal. So I want to give you guys this document, which comes with a few bonuses. I'm not going to tell you about the bonuses. I just want you guys to get this and experience the bonuses for yourself to see how they're going to help you build a successful business. But as it says here, how to build know, like, and trust to skyrocket your affiliate marketing business. This document is going to help you go from struggling towards the path to success. Now, I don't make any promises or guarantees. And the times that I do that, I'm pretty much, I'm going to guarantee you something that I can truly guarantee you. So my purpose as a leader, as a coach, as a mentor, is to make sure I'm as honest as possible with you, so that when you start to partner with me, when you see the results and you see the things that you have at your disposal, you'll be able to honestly share that with other people. You'll be able to honestly promote your business, confidently promote your business. You'll be able to build the know, like, and trust to skyrocket your affiliate marketing business the right way. Now, if you're interested in this, once again, comment hustle and I will send you a link to this document with the bonuses. And I'm not even going to ask you for your email. Now, this is something that the gurus are completely against. They say we always need to get an email, and emails are great. Purpose of an email is to be able to follow up with you, just so that you don't disappear and get lost. It's for the people that have an issue sometimes with following through, or possibly you get tied up in your day, you forget. I know you get busy, but I feel as though something of value that's really going to help and serve you, you shouldn't have to jump through hoops to get it. And if you're serious about using that particular product or service to help build or skyrocket your affiliate marketing business, you should be willing to come looking for me for continued assistance and partnership. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment hustle. I'll send you the direct link to this document, and hopefully you'll see the value in it and want to further work with me in what I like to call affiliate marketing for people that want to have fun while learning valuable universal skills at the same time. And with that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Know what you know, and know what you know before you enter that room.
All right, everybody. I know what you're all thinking. You came over here expecting a good time. Maybe some laughs, some snacks, just, well, a party. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to say yes to that kind of thing. After all, who doesn't like a good party, right? But here's the thing, one of the hardest things I've ever had to do is bring all of you together for something more. Something that doesn't just feel good in the moment, but that can actually change our lives. I wanted us to sit down and figure out how we can build something together, something that will bring value to all of us in the long run. A business, to be exact. Now, I don't know if it's the idea of hard work, the fear of failure, or just the discomfort of being serious. But getting people to show up for something that builds your future is 10 times harder than getting everyone together for a party. And that's, well, kind of ironic, don't you think? Anyway, I guess this is my awkward way of saying, let's make today about more than just a good time. Let's make it about building something that lasts.
I'm tired of complaining about not having money. It's time for a change.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.
Seven, 2 years, now they shut the doors. If they ain't safe, what you waiting for? I seen them fall, thought they had it locked. Yellow trucks, now abandoned lots. Back in the day, I was riding through 70 stops, had to push it to 6 a.m. load up, route set. 11 p.m. still chasing that check.